Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Naku, maraming salamat sa mga dumalo sa ating bus tour ng VHS AAA 11th Grand Reunion. Tayo po ay galing lang sa Hoover Dam at talagang napakaganda, no?
Napakalaki.
Napakalaki. Okay, I will go around, Georgie, and ask them what they think of the Hoover Dam. Teka, tignan natin kung sino ang mga hindi natutulog dito. Oh, Aileen! Aileen, pakisabi ang pangalan mo at ang iyong pinanggalingan.
Eileen Vidal-Wirdon from Sydney, Australia.
Anong masasabi mo sa Hoover Dam?
It's a great pleasure to see Hoover Dam and tour America. Napakaganda. Nice.
Thank you. Ito ang better half ni Eileen, si Crocodile Dundee. Oh, no. I'm just teasing you, Peter. Peter, what do you think of Hoover Dam?
Yeah, it's quite good. Very high. A lot of water. Yeah, good to have a stop. McDonald's would be good too.
Well, thank you for coming.
Thank you.
Okay, let's see. Oh, here's another one. O ano? Anong pangalan na tier mo?
Ako po is Teresa Rodriguez Franco, year batch 72. All I can say is that Hoover Dam is an amazing place to see.
That's right. Okay. Maiba ang forma ni Corina dito. Abay, ilang beses na pinaandar ng ating driver yung yung trivia questions ng trivia ng Hoover Dam. So I think I'm gonna ask them one of the trivial questions. Ano po pangalan nyo?
Trivia ba yun?
Trivia.
Oh, trivia! Trivia po! Okay. So anyway, we'll ask one of our guests here. Ikaw ang tinuro niya. Ano pangalan mo?
Ikaw na.
Mag-aaway pa yata sila, wag na lang.
Kaya mo mag-away.
Christy Jacinto,
Anong year?
batch 77.
Boy,
Bata siya.
Batang-bata.
Ikaw, anong year?
90.
Guess
lang.
Guess, it's okay. Tanungin kita kung talaga nakinig ka. Okay. Anong tatlo na states, anong 3 states that helps the Hoover Dam to generate electricity and water? Siya ang tinatanong ko, no?
Nevada, Arizona, California.
Yay! Mali.
Bicol, Quezon, Laguna. Laguna de Lake.
Wala.
I will cut.
Okay. Oh. Ha? Ito ha. Magsimula ulit tayo. Kunyari ako si Mrs. Murata, yung social studies teacher nyo. Naku, meron tayong short test ha, short quiz. So, Sunny.
Oh, maaraw nga dito.
Ilang milyon ang nagastos ng Amerika para ma-complete ang Hoover Dam?
Ito, walang cut to, walang payola. 24 million.
Lipat tayo dito. Tignan natin kung sino ang mas brainy kay Sunny.
Sabihin, ano pala yun? Nakat pala yun.
Oo na.
25.
Kung kayo'y nakinig, 5 beses na pinaulit-ulit doon. Ano pangalan mo muna?
Corazon Manansala Alfonso, batch 1960.
Okay.
25 billion.
Pangalan.
Lourdes de la Rosa Mercado. Natutulog ako, hindi ko narinig.
Kakaibang yun, excuse. Hindi mo masabi kay Mrs. Murata yan, ano? Oy, kapatid mo ba si
Fernan.
Si Fernando de la Rosa?
Yes.
Oh, bat 67.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Okay, good. Okay, tignan natin si Kaloy. Kung nakinig.
Ang ginasta ng Amerika to build the Hoover Dam, 49 million.
Yay! Palakpakan, palakpakan.
Now this for the
Nagkaroon na pala ng cut. Akala ko, 24 million lang.
Walang cut yun yung sa kanya.
kickback in the rest.
Kaya pala yung sagot ni Sunny
Oh.
25 million. Okay. Okay. Kaloy, anong masasabi mo sa Hoover Dam?
Oh, ang daming tubig.
Oh my. Oo nga, totoo yan.
Pero we were here in 2010. Yung gap niya nung nawala, kalahati pa lang noon. Eh ngayon nadoble na yung ano niya, yung lalim niya na nawalan tubig.
Oh, nga pala.
Yeah. Now nadoble na yung pagkababaw ng tubig since 2010 when we were here. And siguro global warming, I don't know.
Yeah, that's kind of depressing, you know, because and I heard that California is the biggest what do you call that, water consumer. Hindi nga naman nga umuulan. Kaya wala rin silang tubig,
No, that's right. Yeah, drought.
Yeah.
Drought yun, yeah. And they've had only about 4 inches of rain each year. Kanya konting-konti yun.
Salamat po.
Walang anuman. Tapos na interview? Hindi, interview mo pa ako.
Hindi, iwan ko na lang kaya sa iyo, Mike.
Pwede, sa akin yung mic eh. Hawak ko yung mic, hindi ko nabibitawan to. Kakanta na ako rito maya-maya.
Oo nga pala, naunsyami ang aking New York kagabi, no? Dahil tayo ay nag-alisan, dapat kakanta si Kaloy ng New York. Ano yung mga, pwede bang, sample? Oh, come on.
Yung kista mo gabi, yung may popper.
Oo.
Alin?
Yung New York niya eh.
Oh.
Yung may popper.
That's life or New York, New York?
That's life muna, that's life.
That's life.
That's life. That's what all the people say. You're riding high in April, shut down in May. But I know I'm gonna change that tune when I'm back on top in June.
Yeah.
I said that's life. That's life. And as funny as it may seem, some people get their kicks stomping on a dream. But I don't let it get me down. 'Cause this fine old world, it keeps spinning around. I've been a puppet, a pauper, a pirate, a poet, a pawn and a king. I've been up and down and over and out. And I know one thing. Each time I find myself laying flat on my face, I just pick myself up and get back in the race. That's life. Pause na. Okay, cut. Pause na. Pause.
Backup dance.
Shake. Okay. Who was the Hoover Dam named after?
Bend over.
Four.
Teka, ito pa pala.
Oh, ano?
Kalimutan ko ang tanong niya. Ano ang pangalan mo? Anong batch?
Mary Glory 61.
61. Okay. Teka,
Ano?
magtatanong ako ha.
Sige.
Yung trivia ha.
Ay,
Okay.
I need help.
Ilang engineers ang ginamit nila nung nagtayo ng Hoover Dam?
Ilan nag-engineer? Dalawa.
Oh my God! Napakalayo sa tunay na sagot.
Sorry. Forgot.
What about you, sir?
I don't know. How many
You don't know?
engineers?
Just guess a big number. Guess.
1100. Oh.
Too much. Okay.
What about you, sir?
Teka ha,
Labata.
tignan natin kung meron smart dito rin. Oh, ito mukhang mga nakinig kanina. Anong pangalan mo?
Joyce, Labata.
Anong year?
Ito.
Ito ba ang
batch
better half mo?
200.
Medyo mababa.
Baba, medyo mababa.
Pataas, pataas. Isa pa, isa pa.
400.
Nakaguess siya. Niloloko mo yata ako eh. Makinig ka yata eh.
Hindi, una 200. Alam ko 400 yung mga yung mga crops.
Okay, 400. Name all of them.
Hindi, yung 400 yung mga di ba? Yung mga electrician, plumber.
Hindi, specifically they said 400 engineers. Yeah. So thank you.
Okay.
Wala kang premyo eh.
Oh, sige.
Yung director mahirap.
My reward is having visited Hoover Dam and experience and, with everybody here, like from the different batches in Billabong is really rewarding already.
But first timer ka ba?
Hindi, matagal na kaya lang we really enjoy it. That's why
good.
we keep on coming.
Oh, good. Thank you. So, we'll continue our craziness and talk about Hoover Dam trivia. Teka muna ha. Pupunta ako dyan sa harapan para naman hindi makatulog yung mga taong gigisingin natin. Gisingin natin si Edita, nakatawa eh. Edita, pangalan, year, where?
Edita Mayonte Reyes.
Teka, si Edita mukhang intelihente. Ay, but 72 daw siya. So, tatanungin natin siya. Okay. Teka, ilang feet nag-subside ang water level ng Hoover Dam in the last 5 years?
Did I remember that? I wasn't listening, I was sleeping, but I'll give it a guess. Is it like 4 feet?
40.
Nag-dry eh.
Nag-dry. Naku, hindi pwedeng rason yan kay Mrs. Morata, yung social studies. Naku, teka ha. Tignan natin. Kayo.
Ayun, dali para maipakita sa boss
Kahit
mo.
anong number.
Alam ko parang 0 eh. Dahil nag-dry eh.
No, it means na gaano yung water level bumaba. Hindi 0.
Mga 20.
Medyo malaki pa rin yun. Okay. Punta tayo dito. Kay Normie. Oh, mukha nag-iisip si Normie.
25 feet. 11 feet.
Anong year ka sa Villamore?
72. Kami kaklase kami.
Magkaklase?
Yeah.
Aba,
Kaklase na si Danny.
sila pala ang mga team ngayon, anong last year? Team 72, ha?
Yes.
Okay, good job.
Thank you.
Okay. Gising ka ba?
Yeah.
Mukha lang bulag.
I guess it's 15 yung ilang feet.
Yeah, bumaba yung...
Ano nga
I will
palang pangalan? Anong pangalan mo nga pala?
Tess Santos Mira. 71 batch.
Okay. Taga saan ka?
Manila, Philippines.
Oh my gosh, you came all the way from the Philippines. Oh wow, welcome.
Thank you.
Ay, mga aso nila, hintay siya.
15, 1.5.
Ay, alam mo, kulang lang siya. O, si Evelyn, gisingin natin. O, si Cynthia. Cynthia!
Ano bang question?
Anong question? Gano mga feet level bumaba ang Hoover Dam? Teka muna, ano nga palang pangalan mo at year?
Evelyn Dulce del Villar, batch 68. That's it.
Kahit anong number.
Number 3.
No, how many feet down?
How many feet? 40. 96.
Malapit-lapit na. Another one.
126 feet.
Ano nga palang pangalan mo?
Lastimosa.
Wala kang unang pangalan.
Cynthia.
Natutulog yata eh. Ha?
126 feet. Di ba 126 feet? Di ba?
150. Pero malapit, ikaw ang pinakamalapit na sagot. O ayun na, 150 na. Siret na. O, tama na. The closest number.
Yung tulog. Yung tulog ang closest. Anong regalo?
150 feet down.
Yeah.
Di ba nakita mo yung white? In-specify nila?
Correct.
Ganun kababa. Bumaba. I know, because of the drought. So,
It's only 4 inches of
cut.
rain.
Everybody, who's got a pen? Apple pen. I got a pen. I got pineapple. Pineapple pen. Apple pen. Pineapple pen. Pen. Apple.